Welcome to Umbraco tutorial part 2. In this tutorial I am going to install IIS in our local window PC, and then I am going to create one SSL certificate for the local website, and then I am going to host our Umbraco website in IIS and complete Umbraco setup. So let's get started for this. And firstly I am going to install IIS. So let me install it. So now IIS is completely installed in our local environment. I am going to open IIS and host our website. As you remember, we are already created Umbraco in C drive, Umbraco 14 folder in last tutorial. If you don't see, please check out the last tutorial, and in that particular tutorial I created Umbraco 14 by help of CLI. So I am going to host this website in HTTPS. So first we require to create a SSL certificate. There one particular PowerShell script which created your certificate for the IIS and your local environment. So I am going to create one folder in which we are export our local certificate. Now let's open my PowerShell. Once PowerShell is open, I am going to copy paste entire script. In your reference, I am also put that particular script in our comment section or description, so you can easily copy paste this thing. You just need to change this URL according to you. So my URL is myweb.local. So ultimately this script generate SSL certificate for your local, for your particular website URL. So let me change all the required name, and now I am going to run this script. It's automatically generated two certificate in export folder. One is a IIS certificate. So when you are going to install, it's ask you for the password, and I am going to install this. We don't require install this certificate in local. If you wish, you can do it. Now let me install local environment certificate in root folder. Now certificate is successfully installed in our local environment. So let me go into the IIS. I am going to show you that certificate is already installed and it's available for our website. So this is our certificate, my web.local. So next I am going to host my web.local in IIS and select the C drive path in which we are already created our Umbraco 14 website. And I am host this website as a HTTPS, so it's requires certificate which we already created and installed in our local environment or this PC. Now we need to change application pool to manage to unmanage. No manage application pool. Let me run this hosted website. So it's not going to be a display anything because we require two major things. One, we need to create a web.config in our my.local folder, which is required for the IIS. So let me create web.config file in our my web folder. So because it is not text file, I'm going to unhide the extension from the old folder and file. Now I'm going to create a one simple text file and rename as a web.config file. Now we need to paste some XML code, or I say that write some HTML code which required for the IIS. So I'm directly copy paste entire things over here, and I'm also going to paste that the particular part of web.config which required for the IIS in comment section or might be in description, so you can easily find out that things. So main things we highlight or we point out our bin folder or our project exe. So basically our exe available in debug file, .NET version, and then project name.exe. So you can see that both path are same. Make sure that you enter a same path which which is available for your projects. So let me run, save all the things and reload this page. Still it's not running our website because we also required enter host entry in host file. So let me open host file in notepad. So I am going to open host file which is available in window, system, drive, etc. So all extended file, and you can see the host file over here. So our host is 127.0.0.1 and your host name. So in my case my host name is myweb.local. I need to run this text file as a administrator, so let me open same file as a administrator. Now I am going to save this file and let me reload our website. Now our website up and running, but it give us some error like 500.19 error. After this error, I R&D on Google and all the things, and I found that I forgot to install host .NET Core hosting bundle install in our local PC. So I am going to download this hosting .NET Core 8.0.10 hosting bundle in our local PC. Install successfully completed. Now let's run again our website. Now our website up and running, but I got another error which said that you don't have package in my local PC. So let me open this path like C drive, user, and all the things. So let me copy this path and go to that particular folder. So if you search that particular package is available in your this NuGet package folder, so this package is not missing, right? This package is already available in our package folder. So related package is missing in your package folder. So what you need to do, you need to R&D on that particular package part, that particular package requires some another package. So I am literally R&D one by one all the package and install one or two or three packages, NuGet packages in my local, and then it's going to up and running in my IIS. So I currently I am checking all these packages, which package is missing for my IIS or for my Umbraco 14. I found one or two things or two packages missing, so I am R&D one by one all the package, search on Google that this particular package is available or not in NuGet package, and if it is available then I'm going to copy installation path and install by help of the command prompt. Here I am showing you only one package which I lastly install in my NuGet package folder or in NuGet. That's why this website is going up and running in IIS. So let me install this package. Now package is successfully installed in our local environment. So I'm going to rebuild our entire project, and restart our IIS. So our project it rebuilt successfully. Now let's restart our IIS. IIS also restart successfully. Let me refresh again. Now our website up and running in IIS successfully. Now I'm going to install Umbraco part, which require like database or all the things, basic things we need to give the Umbraco for the installation. So I'm going to add name, email address and password for the back office. In this particular tutorial series I am not going to use SQL server, so that it's going to be easier part. It's just a tutorial, so it's easy to install in any PC. So I am just install Umbraco and SQLite and give the database like my WebDB and click on install. Now our Umbraco installed successfully. Let me log on in back office. All is up and running. You can see setting, content, media, package, all the things in Umbraco 14. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay with me for the next tutorial.